Hello, good morning. Okay, I'm Cian Torres. This is my personal portfolio project built with React and Tailwind CSS. Okay. I'll walk you through the site running locally. Um, I'll show you the developer tools later and then explain the file structure in here. Um, Okay. I used AI to assist me with structuring the layout and the background, some complex logic that I'm still learning to code manually. Right now, I rely on AI to help me learn coding, but I'm actively studying and improving every day. Okay. Here's my portfolio page running locally. At the top, my hero section. This introduces me briefly about me, my skills, highlights my technical stack I've learned. And then my project section showcases my work. Most of these were built during my learning on free code camp. So my sample projects there is I created after. Yes, for example, yes, it's working, but it has few contents. I didn't continue to add. Okay, anyway. Um, my project section, this is my certificates, my resume, um, provide my professional background, then my contacts, and okay. Um, let's check the DevTools now. Mm, Yeah, here, here in the console section, this console tab, there are no errors, which means everything is rendering properly. My sources tab, um, these are my files. Here contains all my files, my compiled files. Yeah. Network tab. Okay. I don't know how to read this, but they are loading properly. Let's start. Yeah, you can see they are loading properly, which confirms that my app is running smoothly. And that's it. Yeah, elements. Okay. Um, let's go now to VS Code. Okay, shall we? Here. Let's look at my file structure. Um, inside my source components, you can see here I've separated each section in the project into their own files. That about header, hero, etc. Um, this modular approach makes the code easier to maintain and easier to scale larger if I want to add more sections later or add things here, add things in my projects, for example. Here, this here shows how I structured my projects card using Tailwind classes, and here I stored the data into through in an array, and then map, yeah, I map through it to render them one by one here. Okay, that's it. That's my components. My app script, this is where I import all and then render all the components. I also added like the background, the cloud like background overlay, absolute low opacity. Yeah, then I render all my components again. Yeah, okay. Then in my index, this is my CSS, my global CSS. Yeah, the general CSS, my font style, my general margin, etc. This is the my scroll navigator. I added it here. My um, yeah, this is the animation of the navigator, scroll navigator. In the index script, what's this? This is the yeah, this is where I initialize the whole app. Yeah, this is where they initialize my whole app. This one it gets the ID of the root ID in here in my index HTML here, and then it renders every components here. Let's look at- Here it renders my app, which is imported all my components. It renders them here, and then that's it. They initialize to create my page. Um, that's how I learned about React, as far as I know. And then that's it. Yeah, that's that's it. Okay. Mm, yeah, that's my portfolio project. Okay, that's my portfolio project. I hope it clearly demonstrates my ability to structure a React app and use Tailwind for design. AI helped me understand most of the code I applied. How React works, how Tailwind works, especially since I've had limited access to formal learning. For I just studied free learning resources like Free Code Camp, Free Microsoft, and LinkedIn. By the way, but I learn fast. I take a lot of notes and I practice every day. I practice every day and learn every day. That's it. Thank you for reviewing my application. Thank you for listening. Uh, I'm excited to continue learning, and I'm excited to contribute my skills to your team if given the opportunity. Okay. Thank you. Have a good day. Bye.